Good morning, everyone. So today, with this lovely weather, let's start with this song. Okay. मस्तानी पुरवाई चली, खुशबू से महकी है फूलों की गली, गीत गाए नदियाँ लहरों में है छम छम, है घटा दीवानी बूंदों में है छम छम, क्या मौसम आया है। Okay, so for today's 7th of June 2020, which is number 8, which is Justice Shani. So it basically means that with a lot of justice, feed the blind people. That's the remedy for today. Shani is blind. Shani is people who are your maids, your helpers, or the people who work for you, your chokidar, your people who just help you in cleaning jobs. All they are Shani. Give some part of your money to them. That is important. Listen to this song, okay? उड़ उड़ जाऊं सबको बताऊं धूप लगे छाँव मुझे, महलों की रानी दुख से बेगानी लग जाए ना धूप तुझे, उड़ उड़ जाऊं सबको बताऊं धूप लगे छाँव मुझे, कांटों से हो जाए पाँव ना घायल, कांटों पे नाचूंगी नाचते पायल, घर नहीं है ये तो कुटिया हमारी है, ये तेरी कुटिया तो महलों से प्यारी है, क्या मौसम आया है, क्या मौसम आया है, मस्तानी पुरवाई चली, खुशबू से महकी है फूलों की गली, गीत गाए नदियाँ लहरों में है सरगम, है घटा दीवानी बूंदों में है छम छम, क्या मौसम आया है। Okay, so let's start today's reading. It's 7th of June 20, which is number 8. It is governed by Saturn. Saturn means justice. If you want to, make your Saturn better, try to donate to the people who are blind. Try to donate to people who are your house helps, your chokidar, your people who just help you in household activities. Try to give some money to them, and your Saturn will be balanced. Do not do anything bad to those people, and be very generous and be very kind. I always say sharing is caring, so why don't you just share? Okay, share 2% of your monthly income, or share 2% of your daily or weekly income, whichever country you are in. Saturn is a very great, very justice-based planet. It's not like Sun. Sun is more of a lavish planet, and Saturn is more of like a very down-to-earth planet. So you need to understand that this is Saturn's aura, which is COVID 2019, which has made us, away from our family towards our own self, because Shadashtak Yog was till 5th of June, and it was between Rahu and Saturn. It got broken on 5th of June. So there'll be COVID-29 cases will be less, but Mars energy is very high. That's why there are a lot of agitations happening in USA. People are just burning and, agitated. And so this is very important that you work on your Saturn. Blind लोगों को दान करिए, अपने हाउस हेल्प को दान करिए, उन लोगों को दान करिए जो आपकी चौकीदारी करते हैं, आप आराम से सो पाते हैं. Saturn is basically all those people who are helping you to do your daily activities. Okay, now let me take out the cards for you quickly. So with that, while I'm shuffling the cards, so let me just hear to this song. So the first and anchor card for today. I'll take out all the cards together and then I'll let you know the meaning. Okay, so these are my cards. These are my cards. So now the first card, which is the anchor card for today, is Serendipity. I'll explain. Explanation card is Go to the Sea. Then obstacle card is Milk and Honey. Your guidance card is Final Outcome card. Okay. So let me explain these cards to you quickly. Card number 18, which is Serendipity. Serendipity means happiness. Today Saturn 1 and 8, Sun and Saturn will bring happiness to you if you'll share. Then it is Go to the Sea, which is card number 7, which is Ketu. Ketu basically means spirituality. So the Ketu card will bring in lot of spirituality in your life, but you should be happy, out in nature, greenery. 1, which is Sun, 8, which is Saturn, together they will make you happy. Serendipity. 7 will make you meditate, which is kind of alone in the sea, but you are not alone, you are with the God. Okay, it always says that 1 plus 1 is 11 but if you are spiritual. Now the obstacle is Milk and Honey. Basically it's card number 51, which is 5 and 1. It basically means that you should eat well. Okay, you are not eating well. Eat well, sleep well, take care of yourself. It's 1 and 5, basically Sun, and 5 is basically your Mercury, which means the money. If you are going out for money, take some rest. That is important. And do some bit of meditation. If you don't know how to do it, I'm here to help you out. Okay, so it's 5 plus 1 is number 6, which is your beauty, art, music. So why don't you just listen to a soothing music just like I do? I listen to this music. Okay, so listen to some music and meditate with that music. The guidance card is Change in the Wind, which is 1 and 2. Again, Sun and Moon together. Your father and mother will guide you. There is change in the wind, but your base should be very, very strong. Otherwise, your dream will shatter. Okay, with the blow which is happening these days. 3 and 6, which are number of completion, which is 3 is Guru, Jupiter, and 6 is your Venus. So 3 and 6 is number of completion, which says come to the edge, means it's a card of beauty. It's a card of taking in action. So take action, donate. Action will bring in serendipity to you. You have to meditate. You need to drink well, as well as drink the organic products and eat well. Okay, there is a it's not a chicken, it's basically elephant, which signifies your Jupiter. 1 and 2, which is again Jupiter, which says change in the wind. So change in the wind is basically your base should be very, very strong. Respect your mother, father, and your guru. Okay, whosoever is giving knowledge to you, respect that person. And finally, you will come to the edge. You have to take the action. Beautiful flowers flying from your dress means donate flowers, bring happiness to the girls. And it's all about girl power today. Look at it, I got 3 girl cards today. So it's more of a girl power today. Change in the wind, boys will provide stability and they will provide food and shelter to their girls. Okay, so girl means your mother, girls means your sister, girls means your sister-in-law, girls means your daughters, girl means all the girl childs available. Not available is a very wrong term. All the girl childs which are there to help you out. So try to be with them. Try to donate to the poor. Try to make your Saturn stronger by donating to your household, by donating to the blind people. Go and visit a blind school today and give happiness to them. These people cannot see, but the feeling they will provide you, that would be great. So with that, thank you so much, and I always share. Do you want to share? I always say, sharing is caring. So do you want to share? Share 2% of your salary from your monthly income to the donations and bring in happiness, joy, and smile to the people's lives. With that, thank you so much for watching in. It's Arvind Kohar signing off from Sai Holistic Healings by AK with my team, Arman, Harminder Kaur, Preeti, Kushpreet Kaur. I always kind of disconnect from her name, so I call her Preeti. and with my IT person who has been very very generous and kind. He schedules all my meetings as Hitesh, who works with IBM. So thank you so much for giving your love, giving your care. If you want a personal consultation, you can always message me, and I drop my number to you. That I always do. So my number is +91701156. It's like, okay, let me type in, okay, +91, okay, question mark. So it's like +917011560905. You can always WhatsApp me on this number if you want to learn something, you want to experience something, you want to attend my workshops which are available online. We have different set of clients. We have psychologists and dietitian, astrologer, Vastu people, access bar consciousness people, past life regression therapist on our panel of experts. If you want that healing to be done, please do WhatsApp me, and my team Arman, Harminder or Preeti will get back to you. They will schedule an appointment with me or else with the other teachers on the panel, and we will be delighted to have you on board as our teacher, as our guide, as our mentors and as our students. So with that, I'm signing off. Thank you. And do like my new page, which is Sai Holistic Healings by AK. Do search for me on YouTube, and thank you so much for giving me so much love to my videos on YouTube. I got 2K plus views in minutes and more than 1700 subscribers, and they are growing. Thank you, Archangel Michael. Thank you all the divine forces who are helping me out for giving this for kind of being part of this whole nature. So nature is changing, you should also change with the Saturn energy. Thank you, Shani Dev. Thank you, Saturn energy, for giving us guidance, love and care, and teaching us that solitude is a bliss. It's not something which we should be afraid of. So solitude is a bliss. Be with the bliss. Enjoy this song and take care. रौनक नहीं भाई, क्या मौसम आया है, क्या मौसम आया है। Thank you so much. I'm just closing this with this song, and look at the nature. है घटा दीवानी, बूंदों में है छम छम, क्या मौसम